aluminum, what is this, a casting? Is this a casting? They call it a casting, what do they call it? What's up guys, Steve here from Speed Kings. Today we are here with S&S's new M8 55mm throttle body intake. Not only does this eliminate the plastic stock one, but this is a nice heat-treated T6 aluminum cast version of it. So you're gonna get way better airflow, which is gonna increase your horsepower by 3 to 5. Can you beat that? Coming in at $189.95, this American-made piece is a fucking thing of beauty. I'm excited to put this on my bike. This is gonna go on our 2018 M8 Softail with a 124, and we're running the 475 cam, all S&S products. This is gonna pair up very nicely. We're gonna have a dyno review of this very soon. Keep your eyes peeled, but for now, check this out at www.speed-kingcycle.com. We'll see you there. Cut.